was the Pioneer State Secretary and of APC of the state and the state treasurer up to 2001, October.
2021.
2021. And that we not also forget too that I was not just a joiner to the APC. I am one of the founding fathers, one of the system members that formed the APC, one of the system members that formed the APC in the merger committee. Obasanjo's administration ordered the PDP. I found a compelling reason to join, contribute within the movement to make the Edo State different.
On behalf of the governor, who is the leader of the party in Edo State, the chairman of PDP and national chairman, Senator Shaibu, I want to welcome you to PDP. And the journey to rescue Edo State in 2006, when it started, you were one of those pioneers that we relied on for the journey to rescue Edo State in 2006. That led to the election of Comrade Oshiomole in 2007, while we got it in 2008 in court. Here again, you are leaving All Progressive Congress to join PDP at the time PDP is trying to rescue Nigeria from this present crisis. So it's obvious that you are synonymous to rescue situation.
This rescue team.
So it's very obvious that you have a destiny to rescue situations, and you are welcome to the rescue team and joining the team to rescue Nigeria from the present situation we have found ourselves. I want to assure you of the governors and the leaders of the parties' support and cooperation, and also in tapping from your own wealth of experience in how we've done it in the past and how we intend to do it as we move on. The journey to rescue Nigeria is not a journey that is very, very easy. But with our experience and joining forces now, what we did to rescue Edo, obviously it is time to put those forces again together to rescue Nigeria. And we are excited also that we have our distinguished Senator Alimikena also in the House to join in this rescue team. We have a first 11 that we are presenting to the world and presenting to Nigeria. And we are very confident that voting them into office come 2023, Nigeria will be better for it, because we are bringing our best of the best for them to go and rescue and save this country from collapse. Today, people are talking about dealing with hunger. Initially, it was employment issues that were in the front burner. Now, it's not just employment, it's even how to feed. Yes. People can no longer sleep with their eyes closed. People are even afraid to walk on the street because they are fear of unknown. Initially, before you hear vehicles are stopped on the road, now people that are trekking, they are not safe. So ours is not to lament. Ours is to gather this energy and forces and experienced people like you to come on board for us to deal with the situation. And God on our side, because God has a purpose for our country, and that is why He has always saved us from, when people think the country will collapse, He has a way of saving us. This time, He has given us the authority now. And that is why, like men like you, we are all coming together again to join forces together to rescue our country. And in doing that, we obviously, in our own state, we need to send the best of the best to National Assembly. And we need to also send the best of the best to the State Assembly. And supporting our own son, the Vice President, because we have a stake also in the national issue. We have our own Governor of Delta State, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, a Bendelite in the ticket. And for us, beyond that, we have a doctor that we have contributed to the forces to join Article to rescue Nigeria. We are also religious about it to make sure that we deliver our own son come 2023. So we have stake in all. And anywhere you do have stake, obviously, we are sure of having something resourceful and something good to come out of it. So once again, on behalf of all of us in the rescue team, we welcome you because we know we are adding another formidable ally to the team for us to rescue Edo. There are a lot of other persons that we have to bring on board. And I know with your coming now, they will definitely follow. And I know by the time we are coming to Owa East, the remaining people will collapse. There are some of them that are already making avatars and some of them are making calls. We will bring everybody on board because we need the good, the bad, and the ugly to be able to win this fight.
I have come to join the PDP government in the struggle to liberalize, to make Edo State a better place. And I'm coming from APC and one of the founding leaders of APC. I was the pioneer state secretary and the state treasurer up to 2021. From 2015 to 2021 I was the state treasurer, and from 2019 and from 2013 to 2015 I was the state secretary. That's why. And then I am, like I said, one of the founding fathers of the party because I was the leader, one of the founding leaders of the party. I was a member of the merger committee. As a matter of fact, the secretary of the manifesto committee of the merger committee. I found a compelling reason to come to join the governor and his team in a movement to put Edo State back into proper perspective. I have no other complaint other than when you observe that the insecurity problems in Nigeria today and the economic situations we are passing through were now different from what we thought we had put together in APC in 2013. And when I look at what the government of those states is doing, it now came on to me in the understanding that the Edo State is following those full steps we thought we had put together under APC to do. So there is quite a deviation from what we, as a party, when we were coming together this under APC, more now under the PDP in Edo State government. So I didn't have no reason to stay where the foundation and the hope we thought we were to carry out in other APC is being implemented by PDP. So why do I need to stay? Let me come and join that same crusade, that same movement that believed in what I believed that brought me under APC at its foundation.